Here's a very short tutorial from me. In today's video, I will show you how to disable quick access and open File Explorer to this PC. This is the same for Windows 10 or Windows 11. As you can see, I have also pulled up a Windows 10 virtual machine to show you that it's the same thing. So, open File Explorer. It's going to open to quick access. Right click on the quick access thing on the navigation pane. Click on Show More Options if on Windows 11 and click on Options. Now, use this drop-down menu to select to open File Explorer to this PC, then click on Apply. Next time you open File Explorer, it will open to this PC instead. In Windows 10, it is absolutely the same thing. You just have the old menu and you don't need to click on Show More Options to enable this PC, as you can see. Thanks for watching, hope it helped. If you want to see how to pin this PC to the taskbar, check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.